Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I will not analyze any chart in this video. I will simply answer a few questions regarding the upcoming workshop that is going to start from day after tomorrow. Probably you have understood from the thumbnail only that I will simply answer a few questions. So let's get started. So the first question, or that is one of the most common question, okay, that I'm getting right now is that when is the next workshop, sir? I will not be able to attend the present workshop. My dear friends, I conduct these workshops in my free time. As a result, I do not have any exact dates. Maybe I'll be conducting the next workshop in the month of September or in the last week of August, because I conduct this workshop whenever I get free time. Let me finish this workshop, then after a month I'll be looking for free dates. If I get any free dates, I'll be conducting a workshop again by September. But if you're unable to attend, no need to worry, because I record each and every session, because people from all around the world participate, but because of time difference they cannot attend. As a result, I record each and everything. You can watch the recording. If you're unable to understand anything, feel free to reach me out on my WhatsApp. I will definitely answer your questions. And we also have weekly sessions. After the weekly session, I can also clear all your doubts, because right after the session, the learning session, we have a doubt clearance session as well. So if you're worried right now that there will be some time issues, no need to worry at all. Okay, I have recordings. The second question that I'm getting is, I'm a beginner, can I join? See, if you're a complete beginner, if you have no clue about what is spread, what is PIP, then this workshop is not for you. This workshop has been designed only for those people who have been trading for last couple of months and years, but still they are unable to make money. But if you have a basic idea about what is support, what is reason, what is candlestick chart, okay, then also you can join. But if you're completely new to the market, if you have no idea about spread, pips, then this workshop will not be ideal for you. It will be better for you to learn the basics first, then you can gain some experience. If you face any problem in the future, then you can join. But otherwise, this workshop has been designed only for those people who are struggling with the market right now. The third most common question is, sir, what will I get in support? See, as I have already told you guys many times, that the workshop is just a part of the Pro Trader program. In Pro Trader program, right after you join, you will find all these benefits. Means you will receive regular market updates, you will receive regular market analysis, you will receive trade setups, where positions are building up, where you can go for big trades, where you can go for small trades. All the trade setups you'll be getting, news updates, and we also have a Telegram community, a very active Telegram community with traders from all around the world. You can ask questions, share ideas, you can learn from them as well. And we also have weekly sessions. Right after the 3 days workshop, I'll be conducting 4 weekly sessions as well, probably on Saturday. And I'll be teaching you all these topics here. So altogether there will be 7 classes, 3 workshop classes and 4 weekly classes, so total 7 classes. Just go to my website, you'll find all the details. See, these are the 3 topics that we will be dealing in the workshop. First day, these topics; second day, these topics; third day, these topics. You can see that I'll be teaching many things, because see, I will not be giving you some secret sauce or something like that, okay, some secret formula. There is nothing secret about the market, but your perspective matters. And I will try to cover all the important aspects of a trader, okay, so that you can understand what is going wrong with you right now. And as a trader, as I have a long journey or struggle, okay, so I can definitely answer all these questions, because if you go through my story here, okay, I have also shared my story, then you'll understand that my journey was also very tough. The reason behind sharing my story here is that you can understand that nothing is impossible in the market. So with my experience of almost a decade, I'll try my best to answer all this stuff, and hopefully after the workshop you will be able to understand how to proceed with the market. and most of the time people get lost right after the workshop. As a result, I have included the 1 month support so that you can understand with the regular updates, analysis, trade setups, that in which direction you should be looking at the market, how you should be looking at the market. And yes, the weekly sessions are obviously very helpful. And many people have complained that they have contacted me on Telegram and I'm not answering to the calls. Let me show you. This is Telegram, and you can see that I have typed the Twitter next door here, and you can see a lot of accounts, faces, my face, okay, and all these are scams. All these are scams. Okay, I do not have these. I do not have these groups. Okay, I'm not a part of these groups. Okay, these are all scams. Please stop sending messages to these groups, and please stop following these groups, because you can see that if you open any group, they are running scams in my name. So please be careful. Okay. And those who have already attended the previous workshops, you don't need to attend the upcoming workshop, because almost the content will be same. You don't need to learn, okay, you don't need to relearn, okay, because most of you are doing pretty well right now, because the content will be same. Okay, so if you're wondering that I'll be teaching some new stuff, no, okay. So those who have attended the previous sessions, you don't need to attend the next one. And what will you teach? Yes, okay, just go to my website. I have mentioned everything, that the topics that I'll be covering in the workshop, and the topics that I'll be covering in the weekly sessions as well. And Pro Trader under workshop, yes, the Pro Trader program, okay, it's a whole thing. Okay, it's a whole setup. The workshop is just a part of the Pro Trader program. So if you join the workshop, then you are automatically a part of the Pro Trader program. The dates and timings, everything is mentioned. Hindi classes are about to start from day after tomorrow. The English classes will start from 8th of July, 8, 9 and 10. Hindi classes 5, 6 and 7. The timing is mentioned here. IST means Indian Standard Time. Okay, so Indians, your timing will be 6:30 p.m. to You can also use a time calculator or a time converter. Okay, the classes will be held to Google Meet. Once you made the payment, okay, I'll be adding you to a WhatsApp group, and you will get the Google Meet link on the WhatsApp group. Those who have already attended, or those who have already enrolled for the workshop, they know it very well, that because in the last Saturday also we had a weekly session. So I'll be sending the link on the group before 5 minutes. And yes, the fees is only 1,000 rupees or $15. Yes, this is also one of the query, that why I have kept it so low, because I was also a beginner once, I was also a struggler once, so I know the pain of losing money in the market and not able to learn because of high fees. Okay, so I believe in karma. Okay, I'm a trader, so I don't need to extract money from students. As a result, I have kept the fees so low. In fact, there was a time around 3 years ago I used to teach for free, but I understood very well that free stuff is not respected. As a result, I charge a nominal fees. Okay, and those who are looking for personal sessions, I don't take personal sessions, but yes, if you sign up for the annual membership or semi-annual membership, then yes, there you will be getting 2 personal sessions with me, and in annual session you get 6 personal sessions with me. If you're a beginner and if you have many doubts, okay, and if you want to talk to me directly, if you want to talk to me over Google Meet, then you can sign up for annual or semi-annual membership. But if you are a trader who just have been struggling with the market, have some risk management issues, then you don't need to sign up for annual, semi-annual. Okay, because you don't need personal sessions with me. The workshop will be enough for you. But yes, if you have some doubts, if you really want to meet me personally, okay, discuss your problems personally with me from time to time, then you can go for it. Otherwise, this is not required at all. It is mostly useful for those people who have been struggling with the market for a long time, and they have lots and lots and lots of queries. Okay, so that's all from my side, my dear friends, and hopefully I have addressed all the questions. These were the most common questions that I was getting from people. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. And news is coming up after a few hours. Please be careful. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Okay. And if you look at the chart of gold, yes, let's look at the chart of gold. Then yes, the gold looks bullish right now. We can see that gold has bounced from the support level we talked, and right now gold is going up 1918 level. So after news, 1921 will not work. 1921 is a minor level, not a strong one. So after news, in case of extreme volatility, bullishness, 1930, 1933 is the only resistance. And then 1937 to 1940. These are the two resistances before after news, and before news we can consider 1921, but right now market is bullish, so 1921 may not work. Be careful, do not gamble. Okay, so after news, let the market settle, then try to look for opportunities. Tomorrow we have US holiday, so market may remain sideways or market may remain. So let's meet tomorrow. Bye bye, take care.